Yunus Emre is famous for being a significant Turkish poet and Sufi mystic who lived in the 13th and 14th centuries. His work is renowned for its profound spiritual and humanistic themes, and he is considered one of the most important figures in Turkish literature. Here are some key points about Yunus Emre. Spiritual poetry. Yunus Emre's poetry emphasizes themes of divine love, humanism, and the unity of all creation. His work often reflects the ideals of Sufism, focusing on the inner, mystical aspects of Islam. Simple language. And like many poets of his time who wrote in Persian or Arabic, Yunus Emre composed his poetry in Turkish, using a simple and direct style that was accessible to the common people. This helped to popularize the Turkish language and made his work widely appreciated. Influence on Turkish culture. Yunus Emre's contributions to Turkish literature and spiritual thought have had a lasting impact. His works are still widely read and revered in Turkey and throughout the Turkish-speaking world. Humanism and love. Central to Yunus Emre's poetry is the concept of love, both for God and for humanity. His humanistic approach promotes tolerance, compassion, and understanding. Mysticism and Sufism. As a Sufi mystic, Yunus Emre's poetry often delves into themes of divine love and the soul's journey towards God. His work reflects the core principles of Sufism, including the pursuit of inner purity and spiritual enlightenment. Overall, Yunus Emre is celebrated for his ability to express profound spiritual insights in a clear and relatable manner, making his work timeless and universally relevant.